Okay, hello everyone. So let's start with our RV interior round. Okay, in the previous video we covered the exterior. Let's cover the interior. So this is the entry door. Let's go inside. So these are the steps, and then you enter. And first of all, this is the driver's cabin. ये टाटा 407 के जैसा है, इंडिया में जैसा होता है, तो उसके जैसी ही इसका डेक है, ड्राइविंग डेक. या तो ड्राइविंग सीट, पैसेंजर सीट. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द मोटर होम पार्ट. सो ये हैं, ओके, पारुल इज हियर. एंड या सो दिस इज अ टेबल विद सीट्स, द डाइनेट. एंड दिस डाइनेट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ बेड. अगर आपको रात को एक्स्ट्रा बेड चाहिए तो दिस कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू दैट. आई डोंट थिंक इट विल बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल, बट आई थिंक फॉर किड्स इट इज़ रियली गुड. हमने सामान रखा हुआ है थोड़ा बहुत नीचे. Now, if I see this, this is another bunk bed और loft. यहाँ पर दो लोग आराम से सो सकते हैं. हम लोगों ने इसको सामान स्टोर करने के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बट ओवरऑल 2 people can easily sleep in here. There's a TV in there. Yeah, but right now we are putting all of our saman, and then for privacy you can put the curtains and it should be fine. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारा स्टोरेज है डाइनेट के ऊपर. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. एंड इफ़ यू कैन यू ओपन दैट पैरोल. एंड या so yeah, you can enjoy scenery while having your dinner or any of your meal. Right now we don't have any scenery. Other person's RV is there. Yeah. Okay, so this is our dining and the bunk area. Now coming to the kitchen. So this is kitchen. We have 3 stove gas, chimney is there, microwave is there, lot of storage stuff, storage boxes. This is another storage. We have sink, and this can be unfolded to extend the counter. Yeah, so this is the kitchen area. Interestingly, they also have oven, so for pizza or making cake you can use that. Then we have got this is a fridge, decent size of fridge. So yeah, we have loaded this completely with our stuff. And this one is freezer. So yeah, this is freezer for your deep freezing stuff. And yeah, this is more storage here. You can put your clothes and everything. So yeah, we have clothes and other things being put here. Okay, so this is a queen size bed here, and I will show you how it goes in and out. And that is one window. Again, there are some storage stuff here, and this is another window. Let me open this one. So yeah, and you see, you can see outside. Windows are not very clean right now. So yeah, close this. And this is another TV. This is large size TV. I think this is around 30-inch TV over here. Then you have bathroom sink here and a mirror over here. There is some more storage in here behind the mirror. Some more storage below the sink. Coming to the bathroom part. So this is commode, and then there is a bathroom here. Yeah. There is a fan for exhaust over here. So yes, so I think this motor home is decent. Like, there are 4 beds overall, which are always there, and this bed can be converted for kids and all. So yeah, I think family of 4 can stay. Family of 4 or four adults and 2 kids may stay comfortably. Okay, yeah, that is it. And I wanted to show you how it comes in. So basically this can come inside. So yeah, once I click this button, this particular area will go inside, um, and it will become, way more compact. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.